Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here planning for the week of May 27th through to June 2nd in my Sterling Ink Common Planner in the A5 size. And you can see how chunky it's getting already. Like, look at how chunky that is. Which is making it harder actually to write it and decorate it as the year goes on. This is only a, what is this? Part 1 of a 2 booklet collection series, so I can make it as chunky as I want because I know that there's going to be a second book that I'll be going into. But anyway, this week I will be decorating with some stickers from the Giving Girl. This is the Plant Lover #2, Potted Plants, and Plants and Books. And I know I had already chosen which pen and ink combinations I was going to use, and then I've completely forgotten. So I think I'm going to use possibly Diamine Walnut, Taranishi Opera Rose, I think, for the 2 inks possibly, and possibly, let's see, gosh, it is so hard to choose, but I might actually use my Pelican as well. We'll see. All right, so let's get started. I've also pulled this washi. Now, this is my second iteration of this washi. I had purchased this washi originally as part of a collection from Michaels about 7 years ago. It was part of a Valentine's Day collection, and this was the only washi that I ended up using and keeping. And then I used it so much, and a viewer was so kind to send me another washi, so thank you for that. Now, did I think that I wanted to use one of According to Allie's alcohol inks? Maybe, we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to also grab, I feel like there's other washi that I could be using, like there's this. Oh yes, these will work well. This one I bought from Paper Plus Cloth about 1.5 years ago when I was in Toronto for the Planners Gonna Plan conference, and I just wanted to buy washi to, you know, commemorate my visit there, but I haven't used it, and I think actually this would match really well with this too. So let's cut a little bit here and put a little bit of this on top, and then what do I want? Do I want to focus on Plants and Books or the Plant Lover? Or, you know what, let's put her picture down. Oops. Now, it's funny that I'm using this collection because I am not, unfortunately, a plant lover. Not that I think that, you know, plants are bad or anything, it's just the way that I am with plants. I seem to kill them rather than keep them alive. Henry, for Mother's Day, brought home a plant. By the time he had brought it home in his backpack, half the soil had spilled out of the plant, which of course is not going to help it. And we've been trying to keep it alive since then, and it has not been working out so well. I do not have a green thumb whatsoever, and I feel bad, but that's just me. I've never really had a green thumb. There. And then just a tiny plant in the corner. Because I want, ooh, did I leave myself enough room? Oh, I can put it on this side. I did leave myself enough room for my habits. Although saying that, I haven't been really good at my habits recently. I have been trying to listen to a specific audiobook, but I'm even in just like, you know, 1 or 2 chapters, not even, maybe 1 or 2 chapters in, and I'm already bored. I'm not really a fan of the characters. I love the author, but I'm not a fan of the characters so far, so I don't know whether to continue on with it. The book is, what is the book called? I forget now, but it just it just wasn't appealing to me. And even before that, I had a book that I did not finish and decided to return it early just because I wasn't feeling it. I really was not feeling it. I'm gonna add this here. I'm gonna use up all of these stickers because I can. And I'm gonna create almost like a shelf up here of all of the plant stickers. I think that will look so cute. This is like gold really for, you know, anybody who loves plants. These are gorgeous stickers. And I always, oh crap. Come on. Oh, I hate when I do that. It's always by accident that I put a set of stickers down. And okay. Oh, the book with the little plants is also very cute. Oh, I'm liking how this is coming together. Like there's just, it's like a whole plant shelf up at the top there. Oh, I like that. Really like that. Perfect. And a sticker sheet has been finished. And I don't mind this whole top part being covered because I don't really use the hours before 7 o'clock. So let's go ahead and fill in my sidebar. I'm going to use my Esterbrook SD Petrified Forest with Taranishi Opera Rose to bring out some of the kind of peachy coral colors in here. I don't know if that's the right ink color, but I'll go with it. So sleep. And keep track of my sleep score over here. And I get the data for my sleep score from my Fitbit. It really helps me keep track of this so I know what habits help me to get better sleep. Although Lucy waking up 3 times throughout the night is not conducive to a good sleep score. And then writing my workout schedule down here. I'm currently following 10 rounds it's part of Body or Beachbody. And I've been following just the weight portion of that program for quite a few months now, and I really enjoy it. And I do that alongside my stepper as well. So along with that pen, I'm gonna use my Pelican M800. Now Monday is Memorial Day. It's not a holiday in Canada, but because I work for a US company, I have that day off. So I'm actually just gonna write day off. And that is inked with Rohrer and Klingner Altgold Grün. Now, I do have an important call at 1 o'clock. I want to use my stickers here. So let's see. This sticker album is from According to Allie. And now the dogs are barking in the yard. It's always the way. It's a Zoom, so I can use a computer sticker. Lucy's out in the yard right now with Rob, my husband, and if he's hanging out with our neighbor, then our neighbor also has a dog named Molly, and she and Lucy, they don't get along that great. 1 o'clock. Okay. And I'm going to leave that day pretty open. I know I'll have to-do lists and things, but I'm going to keep that open, pretty open for now. Then Tuesday, work. And just write in or draw in the arrow. And do the same for Thursday. I feel like I'm forgetting something important. And I don't think there's anything coming up this week. I do have a call on Saturday. Oh, and I am on call on Saturday. let's see here, I'm just gonna write on call. And there are a few things happening on Saturday. So first is Lucy has a grooming. So here we go. Lucy has a grooming. Yeah, but I feel like the sticker is too big because I have to be somewhere right after. I'm donating blood right after. Whoa. So 9 o'clock. Oh, there will be. I don't think I'm going to put these down with the stickers because the stickers take up too much room and I need that space to write down basically everything that's happening. So let's see. So at 9 o'clock, Lucy has a grooming at Hollywoof, cutest name for a dog groomers. And then at 10 o'clock, I am donating blood, and then I will pick up Lucy immediately after. And then later on that day, so at 12:30, I have a call. And then we should be cleaning that day as well. So I will probably clean as soon as I get home, or I can clean on Friday. We will see. And then the kids have their usual activities. So Henry has ninja. Whoops, if I can write. And then Robin has badminton. Oh, this was supposed to be in green. Dang it. Oh well. Okay, that happens. Not a big deal. So then going in on Wednesday. And writing in my work schedule. And then I know Friday, no plans Friday. Except for Weight Watchers, which is my usual. And then I have to pick up kids, but I am not taking them for boba because I am actually working on Friday. Friday night. Okay, so that is basic. Oh, hold on, I'm forgetting stuff. So forgetting things like garbage. Put out the garbage bins. Do I have garbage stickers? I don't. Not in here. I have to go into my other sticker album from Allie. This is her mini sticker album. And I know I have garbage stickers in here somewhere. There we go. And using my tweezers. I love these mini icons because they basically fit within 1 hour in the sterling ink, but this is also, it'll fit within the 1 hour grids for the Hobonichi. Then on Thursday, my husband will be picking up the groceries, so we can use these stickers from Paper Bits Co. Seem to be working through these pretty well. I feel like there's stuff that I'm forgetting, which is why I have a planner in the first place, but pick up groceries, which is what my husband does. And then actually my husband has acting class. Okay. I don't think there's anything else that I need to add, really. Let me tidy up here and have a quick look at everything. All right, so that is the overall finished spread for the week, and then I will fill it in as I go. I am actually really grateful for, I guess, a 3-day work week, although I am on call Friday night and Saturday, but not a huge deal. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.